Hello, 𝗕𝗵𝗶𝗀 from 𝗕𝗵𝗿𝗲 is here. So in this video, I want to show you how to buy Bitcoin right here in Nigeria using Binance. Alright. So in my previous video, I showed you how to create a Binance account and how to verify it. So if you don't have a Binance account, you need to create an account first and verify it. Then you can then buy Bitcoin using it. So in this particular video, I will be buying $10 worth of Bitcoin, that's a BTC. So I buy it live in this video. So stay till the end of this video. If you don't know how to buy Bitcoin, I will show you live on how to do it, because I'm going to buy $10 worth of Bitcoin. So let's do this. So this is BTC USDT Pay on Binance. So here is my Binance. I have logged inside my Binance account. So here on my PC. So to make this easier for beginners, I'm going to log into my phone now to show you practical how to do it using your phone, because I know most people use phone. So let me show you it from my phone. So right now I am on my phone now. So what you need to do is to go to Play Store and type Binance. So type Binance and install it. So after installing it, you can then log into your Binance account from this application. So if you followed my previous video and create your Binance account and verify it, so you need to log into your Binance app and click on login and log into your account safely. So this is Binance. So what you need to do is to click on install. After installing it, it is time to log into it and buy Bitcoin by following this method. So if you are new to the channel, my name is Kevin. Here I show a lot of tips on how to make money online. So I also share tips how to make money online via cryptocurrency trading and investing. So if that interests you, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. So with that being said, what you need to do now is to open Binance. So let me open it. So after opening it here, so this is home. So this is home, application home, the menu, and this is market. So this is trades. So this is futures. So this is wallets. So to make this happen, we are going to buy Bitcoin using USDT. So USDT simply means a stable coin that is equivalent to $1. So one USDT is equal to $1. So what you need to do now is to come to this section. You can see trades. So click on trades. So here you will see different options. All right. So after clicking on trades, it will be on spot. So don't worry. The spot is just what beginners need to follow to buy coins from Binance. Alright, so it will be on spot, and you will see here BTC USDT. So this BTC USDT, it simply means a pair. This BTC is what we are going to buy using USDT. That we are going to buy Bitcoin using USDT. So that's what this BTC/USDT means. So here is buy and here is sell. So if you want to buy Bitcoin or any coin, you place it on this buy, right? So here, coming down here, you will see limit. So when you click on limit, you will see different orders like market order. As you can see here, market, stop limits, OCO. So that is what I may cover in my subsequent videos. But for now, let's leave it on limit, and here is the price of a Bitcoin at the moment. So we are about to buy Bitcoin now. So what you need to do is to have at least some USDT inside your USDT balance. So this is USDT balance. I can say how so USDT. So what I need to do now is to buy USDT from Binance P2P. So if you want to see how to buy Bitcoin, USDT from Binance P2P, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon, because in my future videos I will show you how to do that. Right. So what I need to do is to buy USDT and fund my USDT wallet so that I can show you how to buy BTC Bitcoin using it. Let me do that now so that we can continue. So now buying Bitcoin from using Binance is very simple. So all you need to do is to come down here and make sure it is placed on buy session. So after it's placed there, then come down here, you can see market, just change it to limit. So after changing it to limit, here you need to enter the amount of dollars you want to use to buy Bitcoin. So in this case, I enter $10 here. So and here I have a available balance of $19.2 something. So let me enter 10. All right. So I should leave this 9.70. So after entering it, and what you need to do is to, if you want to, if you don't want to pay for buying fees, if you want to just pay low fees when buying it, you need to use this limit, right? This limit order. If you want to pay some fee, but some higher fee, but your order will be, you will buy Bitcoin instantly. You need to use market. But if you use limit, your order might feel very slow. You are not going to buy it instantly, but we are going to charge low amount of fee. All right. So in this particular video, let me use market to buy Bitcoin now. So leave it on market price here, right? And scroll down here, click on USDT, enter $10. So what I need to do now is to click on this buy, as you can see here. So I click on buy, but before that, we need to click on this section and make sure that it is changed to BTC USDT. So let me click on it. So after clicking on it, just type BTC USDT. Type it like this, select it, then boom, you are here. Then change this to market and make sure it is on buy section here, and come down here, enter $10 or the amount you want to purchase, then click on buy now and we will buy Bitcoin. So let me click on it now. Boom, as you can see, success. So we have successfully bought Bitcoin now. So what you need to do is to just go to sell now, and you will see we have this amount of Bitcoin. As you can see, 0.00016 BTC. So that's what we have in my Bitcoin. So that's how to buy Bitcoin using Binance. So if you found the video helpful, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to make money online. All right. So let's search this on Google, 0.00016 BTC to USD. So 0.00016 BTC to USD. So let's search this to see the amount it is. You can see 9.72 USD, which is also very equal to $10. So that's how to buy. So that's how to buy Bitcoin in Nigeria using Binance. So like the video, subscribe to the channel for more footage of my videos. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.